Hello everyone, GMAC back with another video. Bringing you the inside view of our cabin trip here at Hyner Run State Park. We're staying at the Hyner Lodge. This is the view from coming in from the back door. Fireplace room, living room, whatever you want to call it. Giving you the cabin tour. Kitchen area. Restroom. Dining room. And downstairs, master bedroom. Let's take a walk upstairs. One bedroom, two bunks, stairs restroom. I guess this is just a closet or a very small bedroom. And another bedroom with another bunk. See some of the views out the windows. Enjoyable stay, nice and quiet. Friendly staff personnel here at the state park. Talked to the gentleman here that works here. Go out the front door here. And this trip here, while we were here, this morning was the coldest at 4 above. There's the front porch. View from the front porch. Off to the side. Campfire over there. Here's the seating area out here. Said very nice and enjoyable stay. Not much more to tell. If you want a place to come where it's nice, peaceful, and quiet, you know, you got traditional stove, fridge they just put in a couple months ago, microwave. And for me, best part is, even though a lot of these cabins are going to this is a propane fireplace. I'm a big fan of wood, but I understand why they're doing it. Some history here. I have a picture up from when it was from the CCC, I believe. You know, going back to our timber roots here in Pennsylvania. Old fashioned hand saw, two-man saw, because it has the handle at the end. I personally have two of them. I bought one, and then the other one was my grandfather's, so it's pretty cool to see that. So, but yeah, beautiful place. Got a seating area over here. Lounge out. Nice, clean, comfortable. Nice parking area out from this door. That's where we parked. Closet space. I'll take a peek in there. All kinds of games and stuff. Even have some lanterns. Yeah, so nice, nice place for take a break for a couple days. Yesterday morning I got up and there was about 6 squirrels out here roam around in the trees. So nice view out the window, out into the woods. So yeah, so this is a quick video on Hyner Lodge. We're wrapping up our trip here. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Pretty cool skylights here. brightens things up. Now it snowed when we got here because we forgot to say that. I'll have that in the beginning of the video. I'm mentioning at the end. We dodged some snow squalls getting here and had it routed a little differently. So it was a little bit of drama, a little bit of snow-covered roads going and getting here, but for GMAC, that's no big deal. So yeah, take a look at some of these pictures here. Got a wolf there. I think there was another. Oh yeah, old brook trout. Yeah, so sometimes in order to keep on wrenching, you got to take a break. So this is GMAC. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video, and we'll definitely be wrenching.